tactile but silent. I'll make another short video so you can still feel the actuation, like you can feel the thing jump and click, but you don't really hear it. Like if you're very like light about it, if you don't click all the way down, like if you just click it like this, you feel the actuation, but it's silent. This one is like you feel the actuation, but you also hear it. It's like, but it's quicker because it's like immediately as soon as you click it, it's like actuates it. So you know when, like, you hear and you know, you feel and you know, and you hear it. You feel and you hear it that it's clicked. I couldn't get used to it, but this is the mini one. It's kind of cool. And you want to sound like all gamery.